Hello everybody, a very good morning to all of you. My dear students, in the previous lecture we studied how to find the simple interest and amount, and now today we will study how can you find principal, rate and time. So the formula to find simple interest is SI equal to P into R into T upon 100 and amount is equal to principal plus SI. Now on cross multiplication we get the three formulas. So the formula to find out the principal is SI into 100 upon R into T. The formula to find the rate is SI into 100 upon P into T, and the formula to find the time is T equal to SI into 100 upon P into R. So question 1, what will be the sum of money which yields an interest of rupees 720 at 2% for 3 years? Here the simple interest is given 720 rupees. Rate 2%, time 3 years. We have to find out the principal. So the formula of principal is P is equal to SI into 100 upon R into T. So putting the values, we get 720 into 100 upon 2 into 3. So 720 into 100 is 72,000 and 2 3 is 6. On dividing this 72,000 by 6, we get 12,000. So the principal is 12,000. Now in the second question, find the rate of interest per annum at which a person borrowed a sum of rupees 10,500 whose interest is rupees 840 for 2 years. Now in this question we are given principal 10,500, time 2 years and simple interest rupees 840. We have to find out the rate. So the formula of rate is R equal to 100 into SI upon P into T. So putting all the values, we get 100 into 840, SI is 840 upon principal is 10,500, time is 2 years. On cancelling these zeros and dividing 840 by 105, we get 8. So 8 upon 2, on dividing further, we get 4%. So rate is 4%. Now question number 3, in how much time will rupees 7,000 give an interest of rupees 1470 at 12% per annum? Now the principal is 7,000 rupees, SI that is simple interest is 1,470, rate is 12%. We have to find out the time. So formula of time is this, T equal to SI into 100 upon P into R. On putting the values, we get 1,470 into 100 upon 7,000 into 12. On dividing the zeros, on cancelling zeros and dividing 147 by 7, we get 21. So 21 upon this 12. So on further dividing by 3, we get 7 by 4. So we get 1 whole 3 by 4 years. Time is 1 whole 3 by 4 years. So my dear students, today we have studied how to find out the principal, rate and time. I hope you have understood everything. Thank you very much.